Okay, let's multiply a mixed number with a proper fraction. So what do we do with mixed numbers? We always make them into improper fractions, don't we? So we're going to change this one into an improper fraction first. So let's write the times in front of it. And it's going to be 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And then we write this one down here and we continue. 2 times 7, 14 over 3 times 2, 6. And it's an improper fraction, so we bring it back into a mixed number. 6 goes in there twice. Remainder 2 over 6. And then we're actually going to reduce this piece a bit further because we see 2 can go into both of those. So it'll be 2 and let's divide that one by 2 and that one by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 and 1/3 is actually our answer. Next one. First we're going to change our improper fraction into we're going to change our mixed number into improper fraction. So that is going to be, let's just rewrite the front piece as it stands. This is going to be 5 times 5 is 25 plus 2. 27 over 5. Okay. Next step. 1 times 27 is 27. 2 times 5 is 10. Next step is we're going to make it into a mixed number. 10 goes in there twice with a remainder of 7 over 10. Because 10 times 2 is 20. 27 minus 20 will be 7. Okay, so that one was quite straightforward. Let's look at the next one. We're going to change that into an improper fraction. So let's rewrite everything in the front. And that's going to be 6 times 7 is 42 plus 4 is 46. Okay, now let's do this. 3 times 46. We'll have to have our scribble corner here. 6 times 3 is 18. Carry a 1. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. It's going to be 138 over 5 times 7 is 35. Okay. Now it's an improper fraction, so we're going to have to change it into a mixed number. So we're going to have to do a little bit of a long divide here on the side. 138 divided by 35. So 138 divided by 35, we're probably going to say that it goes in there about 3 times. Let's try 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Now our minus 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. 1 minus 1 is nothing. Okay, so it's going to be 3 and remainder of 33. So we're going to go fine. It's 3 and then a 33 over 35. Okay. Next one, we're going to first change into an improper fraction. Let's just write everything else as it stands. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Now 2 times 7 is 14 and 9 times 2 is 18. Do you see that we can reduce it because we've got some common factors that they share? We can actually put 2 in there. And that's going to become 14 divided by 2 is 7. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay, so let me give you one to do at home. 1 and 2 fifths times 1 half. Okay, you do that one at home. Press pause. Try that one at home and then come press play and let's do it together. Right, so you're back. Let's do it together. We're first going to do the conversion of the mixed number into improper fraction. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, now we're going to times across. 7 times 1 is 7. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay. And you can leave it like that. It's not an improper fraction, it's a proper fraction. Correct. And it's reduced down as far as it can go. Okay. Let's see you in the next lecture.